What's up everyone, it's Lorenzo with Quality Mobile Video. In the past you've seen us do a couple of headrest monitor videos. We're going to go over a couple more things today. We've been getting more and more questions on what different types of headrests there are, when to use what will best work for me. So there's a lot of new kind of details that we'd like to go over. Largely, most headrests, you have a couple of different options. One is important based on the type of vehicle that you have. Newer vehicles are more and more coming with what is known as active headrests. That's where the headrest has a part of an airbag system in it. The front of the headrest opens up in the event of an accident to close the distance between your head and the headrest. That way it eliminates whiplash. You can't remove those headrests, makes mounting new headrests much more difficult. So if your vehicle has that type of capability, then you would not be able to use a standard headrest. You would have to use the system that's designed for active headrests. So we'll kind of go over the different systems. Universal headrests are designed so they can fit any vehicle. They're not specifically made for one vehicle. The posts are adjustable. They have post guides that allow you to fit different post diameters, and they come in generally one of three standard colors: gray, tan, or black. Then you have vehicle-specific headrests. Those headrests are designed specifically for one vehicle, and they come in perfect match colors. And typically the contour of the headrest matches the vehicle as well. And then you also have active headrests. These systems are designed to clip on to the headrest posts. The wires are concealed through the seat, and they can be used kind of portably. The most common active headrest system that we currently sell is the DVD 9800. This particular unit is universal and is also available in three colors: gray, tan, and black. The reason why this unit has become so popular is even for vehicles that don't have active headrests, it's really easy to install, requires only a cigarette lighter to use, and is far more convenient than a portable DVD player, a tablet, a phone, anything like that. It's universal because it's so easy to mount in almost any vehicle. It has a nice swivel plate so you can adjust the angle of the monitor. The mounting is made really easy because of these retainer rings and these adapter brackets. Basically what these do is these go on the post. You split them on the post like that, and then you would to slide in the bracket. So here I'll show you actually on the headrest how this is done. So you'll just go ahead and put these like that, and then you'll attach the ring bracket. You'll do the same for the other side. And now we'll go ahead and mount the headrest piece itself. So you'll turn it one direction, pull the other side back out, and there you have a headrest that's really nice, almost matches the vehicle perfectly, super easy to use, looks great. What else could you ask for? The most common question we get is, how do I power the headrest system? Be it vehicle specific, universal, or active headrests, there are a couple of options for wiring power. If they are vehicle specific, typically you're going to want to actually do a full installation on those. The reason for that is they generally have a central control box that allows both screens to do the exact same thing. And you would want to conceal the wires. You have a perfect match system. It looks really nice. You want it to blend in as though it looked like it came from the factory. In universal or these universal active headrests, you have a couple of options with those too. You have a cigarette lighter cord, which is very easy. Obviously just a simple connection on either side. The only drawback is you have dangling wires. Looks a little awkward. Maybe in a nice high-end vehicle you wouldn't want to do that. The positive of that is it's easy to take out. You can get it, secure it away in the event that you want to prevent someone from stealing it. There are a couple of drawbacks to this method. In order to play the same source on two screens, if you purchase two of these, you would need to cross-connect them. That is, again, a very common question that most people generally don't understand. How do I get them to do the exact same thing? Well, what you have to do is you have to take the outputs of one and connect it to the inputs of the other. On the DVD 9800 and the DVD 9900, that requires us to use the hardwire cord. This particular end goes straight into the side of the headrest over here, and then this disconnect goes into the main harness here. The Benefit to this cord obviously is if we wanted to hardwire, conceal all the wiring, we could make it look really, really nice, and still super easy to disconnect in the event that you want to, hide it away for security reasons. But here we have the RCAs. You have a set of male and you have a set of female. Typically the male are always the video outputs and the female are the video inputs. So if you were to have two of these, basically what you would do is take the male of one side and connect it to the female of the other. And what this does is this takes the output of one and connects it to the input of the other, allowing you to do one DVD on both screens. Another common question is, how do I listen to the DVD movie that I'm playing? Well, you have a couple of options. Most headrests these days have what are known as a built-in FM modulator. An FM modulator just takes the audio program, converts it to an FM radio station, and it's simply a matter of tuning your radio to the proper station, and then you can listen to it through the speakers of your car. Another more useful option for most parents are the wireless headphones. Typically, you don't want to listen to your child's DVD movie. It's not generally of your taste, but your children love it. So for the most part, you would want your kids to use wireless headphones. The difference for most systems in headrests versus a flip down is as you have more than one screen, you need two channels. Typically, one child will be watching one program, another child will be listening to something else. For that, we have two-channel headphones. Two-channel headphones have an A and B switch. Typically, driver side is A, passenger side is B. That allows you to flip the switch, listen to the proper audio program, and then you can listen to everything you want. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our videos on YouTube, and see you next time.